Have you ever wondered how to face the recession through affiliate marketing? Do you often wonder how to make stability out of affiliate marketing? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of using affiliate marketing to beat economic crises? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, an ideal online opportunity to beat the recession. Now let's get into it. The current economic climate has caused a yearning for economic self-sufficiency, motivating people to consider self-starting, keen to protect their homes, lifestyles, and bricks and mortar during this financial hardship. People are making the decision to work from home. This is an unconscious attempt to protect what is theirs. The internet has made society more service-oriented and created an opportunity for those who would not otherwise consider such a prospect. More people are starting their own businesses, seeing this as an ideal opportunity to beat the recession. Before deciding to work from home, you must consider the pros and cons. The benefits of setting up a business from home seem quite straightforward. Travel costs will be reduced, commuting by train or driving to work. Childcare costs for those that have children will be negated, as until your business starts going you still have some disposable time. Save on daily living expenses, buying lunch, or temptations to have an odd cup of coffee/snack from the vending machine. The clothing allowance is reduced as you don't have to be suited and booted for the office. The family benefits from having you around at home more. Your partner will feel supported as you become a cohesive unit. Doing your bit to save the planet with reduced travel and fewer carbon emissions on your body. Tax incentives as a self-employed worker. Saving on travel to and from work provides more time. Not having the constant pressure to perform at 110%, thus the quality of health improves. Flexible hours of work, ability to work overtime to meet deadlines at your leisure. Take holidays when you want, not having to fit in with the company's resources. Periods of sickness self-managed, no feeling guilty if sick from work. Management skills improved, learn to manage time and workloads and juggle family life, and no requirement to be seen in the office. No competing against colleagues, no one to beat but yourself. Great reasons, but what about the disadvantages? Increased costs in household expenditure with systems running at home, utility bills. Constant interruptions. Discipline not to become a slouch or start work later. Childcare might become an issue. The tax system no longer benefits from you paying taxes at a high level. Therefore, a reduction for the Treasury. A need to take control of your time management and become time disciplined, meeting targets and deadlines. This provides stress whilst learning to juggle work at home. No support structure to ensure you are capturing everything. No more paid holidays or sickness, responsible for your payroll. Responsible for the costs associated with setting up at home, maintenance of these systems, and no resources to on, e.g., computer, fax, internet. The danger of working day and night because you can. As a decision maker, not have colleagues to bounce ideas off. Having to succeed is personal, and all at stake. Affiliate marketing is the ideal online opportunity to beat the recession. It is a lucrative business and startup is very easy. It is an internet marketing strategy whereby customers are directed to desired products owned by merchants via a link, placed by affiliates. This unique link contains a tracking ID that recognizes the affiliate as the pre-sale source. The affiliate earns a percentage of the total sales value paid by the merchant. There are no restrictions on what affiliates promote. It is possible to promote anything if there is a market for it. This is a supply and demand loop, and it can be done in two ways: by researching a niche market of customers and finding the desired product to target to this market, or by byproducts research, then finding the relevant customer base for that product. The former is a more typical model. Internet marketing is now changing the landscape of the industry. As markets expand and diversify, there is always an equal and opposite effect, and this is particularly apparent where electronic products are replacing tangible goods. Take the book industry. There is a definite decline in tangible book sales, and bookshops are being made redundant as customers utilize cutting-edge technologies to access products of their choice. This is also true of other industries, such as the music industry. The way we choose to purchase products is changing. Our lifestyles encourage us to demand more efficient ways of satisfying requirements. You want to achieve that personal goal to succeed in business as your own boss. Let us now look at the benefits of affiliate marketing before making that final decision. The benefits of affiliate marketing are many, just some are. The costs of setting up minimal compared with tangible business, such as stock, storage, premises, delivery. You will be able to set aside budgets for advertising and promotions as your business grows, but can start off with little monetary investment. Access to a vast portfolio of products in many markets. Gain added value from joining networks and affiliate programs. Shared burden of responsibility with networks to support with due diligence and scams. Joining an affiliate program can earn revenue from incentives promoting the program. Pay for performance increases ROI. Self-controlled business growth. Potential to earn 24/7 365 as you automate marketing strategies and grow and evolve with this new industry. It is possible to set up as an affiliate with limited financial investment and resources, namely a computer and access to the internet. In order to execute a successful marketing campaign, a website is needed. This is key to increasing earnings potential. Your site will maximize search engine optimization and promote in your style, thus increasing sales and profits. You may also be able to invest a small sum in advertising to get your site ranked in the search engines until you can master SEO techniques. Where to start and how to set up? Firstly, join a network, an intermediary or broker between the merchant, seller, and the publisher, affiliate, such as ClickBank.com or CommissionJunction.com. Joining is usually free. They have a portfolio of digital products to promote and offer commissions on sales to the affiliate, up to 90% of the total sales value. Issued with a unique ID that is tracked, each time customer clicks on the link and purchases, the network tracks the ID and a commission is paid to the affiliate. Affiliate programs offer all the training, resources, and tools needed to get going, and incentives are paid to promote the program, and some programs offer generous incentives. Affiliates need to find niche markets, which are very productive and buyer-specific. They need to promote to the right consumers, at the right time. And, with that, we've reached the end of this video all about affiliate marketing, an ideal online opportunity to beat the recession. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon at the next one.